I just found this new AI video niche and it's absolutely incredible. Millions of subscribers, millions of views, and creators are making thousands of dollars just using AI-generated videos. Oh my God! This is seriously one of the most interesting viral niches right now. Almost every single video is exploding with views. Some videos are getting millions overnight. And the craziest part is that these videos are super entertaining, emotional, funny, and highly addictive to watch. And I know exactly what you're thinking right now. Can I create these types of videos too? Yes, absolutely yes! Most people think they need a huge budget, expensive software, or professional editing skills to make these viral videos. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these types of viral AI videos completely free. No expensive tools, no advanced editing skills, no professional experience needed. You'll learn how to create viral AI videos, generate cinematic scenes, make engaging short-form content, add sound effects and voiceovers, edit videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And trust me, once you see the final result, you won't believe these videos were made using free AI tools. So make sure to watch till the end because this niche has huge viral potential right now. And you definitely do not want to miss this opportunity. Now, let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most of you don't know what to write or how to write it the right way. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt. Your only job is simple, just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing more value like this. Now, here's the exciting part. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate an amazing result, fully structured, highly engaging, and perfectly aligned with the type of viral video we saw at the beginning. This exact style of content is getting massive views right now. But here's the truth. Most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get good images, you won't get high quality videos, and your content will look average. And average content does not go viral. That's why having the right prompt is everything. It's the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that blows up overnight. So instead of wasting time guessing, use a proven prompt and focus on execution. Stay consistent, improve your content, and follow the trend. Because in today's world, with the right tools and the right strategy, going viral is not luck, it's a system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, try it yourself, and start creating your own viral videos today. Now let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. No complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro features. And the best part is, both options are completely free to use. Yes, absolutely free with no hidden charges or subscriptions. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds without any limitation. This makes it perfect for beginners as well as advanced content creators. Now here comes the real magic of this tool. Just copy your prompt from the ChatGPT platform. Then, paste it into Flow AI and let the system do everything. Automatically, within minutes, all your images will be generated in front of you. And when you see the results, you'll honestly be surprised. The image quality is extremely sharp, detailed, and professional. It feels like premium content, but you're getting it completely free. You don't need any editing skills, voiceovers, or background music. Everything is handled by AI in a simple and efficient way. This is a hidden opportunity that many people still don't know about. That's exactly why I created this channel, to guide you step by step. So follow along carefully, because this can truly change your content game. Now let's move to another powerful website, RUNWAY ML. And I know many people get shocked when they hear this name because they think RUNWAY ML is paid. Yes, normally it is a premium AI platform, but right now there are many free features available on the website that most people don't even know about. So first, go and check the website yourself. At the moment, Runway ML is giving around 500 free credits to new users, not just 125 credits. That's actually a huge opportunity for beginners. All you need to do is log in with any Gmail account. Claim your free credits. Start creating cinematic AI videos instantly. Now let's come into the video generation section. Here, you need to select Gen Turbo model. This model is super fast, highly realistic, and perfect for creating viral AI videos. And the best part? It only takes around 25 credits to generate one high-quality video. The workflow is extremely simple. Upload your AI image, paste your video prompt, click Generate, and within minutes, everything is ready for you automatically. No complicated editing, no professional animation skills, no expensive production setup. Runway ML handles everything for you. And honestly, the quality is absolutely incredible. The motion looks smooth and cinematic. The visuals feel realistic. The lighting and animation quality are amazing, and the overall result looks like professional movie scenes. I personally tested many different images and prompts on this platform, uploaded multiple pictures, pasted different prompts, and checked the results one by one. And honestly, every single result looked insanely good. Some videos looked emotional, some looked ultra realistic, and some honestly felt like scenes from animated films. This is why AI content creators are growing so fast right now, because tools like Runway ML make video creation much easier than before. And I know many of you are worried about sound effects, voice generation, background atmosphere, ASMR audio quality, but don't worry. In the next steps, I'll guide you completely step by step on how to generate realistic sound effects, AI voices, background music, cinematic audio ambience, so your final video looks fully professional and viral ready. And here's something important you need to understand. The quality of your final video depends on good images, strong prompts, proper motion generation, consistent storytelling. That's why I always say, prompt quality changes everything. With the right workflow, you can create viral TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, emotional AI storytelling content. And you can do all of this without spending huge amounts of money. That's the beauty of AI in 2026. So stop waiting for the perfect time. Start learning these tools now, because early creators always have the biggest advantage. Experiment with different prompts, test different styles. Runway ML doesn't only help you generate cinematic videos, it also gives you powerful options for sound effects, AI voice generation, background ambience, cinematic audio enhancement. So here's what you need to do. Simply come back to ChatGPT and generate sound effect prompts for your scene. For example, floodwater sounds, fire crackling, heavy rain ambience, disaster atmosphere, tiny footsteps, wind effects, emotional cinematic ambience. Then copy those sound prompts one by one and paste them into Runway ML. And trust me, the results are insanely realistic. The sound quality feels cinematic and professional, and it makes your videos look 10x more emotional and engaging. But that's not all. Runway ML also has many built-in AI voices available. You can easily generate voiceovers, add narration, create emotional storytelling, add a dramatic cinematic atmosphere. Everything becomes super easy. And the best part? You don't need expensive microphones or recording setups anymore. AI can handle most of the work for you. This is why AI content creation is growing so fast right now. Because today, one person can create images, videos, sound effects, AI voices, full cinematic content all from a laptop using AI tools. That's honestly crazy when you think about it. So keep experimenting, keep testing new prompts, and keep improving your content every single day. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next amazing AI tutorial.